At TPC Industrial, we're leading the way in the PVF supply industry with our strong commitment to customer service and strict quality control. We're dedicated people connecting oil, gas, and other industries across the country with a quality pipe, valves, and fittings they rely on. Our strategically located warehouse and state-of-the-art distribution center give us a logistical advantage and the reputation for dependability we stake our name on. When you trust TPC with your PVF needs, you are benefiting from an industry leader with decades of combined experience that specializes in the impossible. At TPC, we invest heavily in recruiting the right people to join our team. Whether it's vendors, employees, transporters, or manufacturers, we build solid relationships on one common value: always deliver for the customer. There isn't a project too small or too large for TPC. If you can envision it, we can get you the supplies to build it.